This $0 skill can make you $2,000 per month. Here's how. If you had to make $2,000 a month starting from zero, no product, no warehouse, no employees, what would you do? Most people would scroll for crypto tips. But the real money? It's sitting inside small local businesses right now. Here's the truth. Thousands of small businesses are losing customers every day. Not because they're bad, but because their websites are terrible. Slow loading, no mobile optimization, no clear call now button, no Google ranking, and they don't even know it. That's your opportunity. You don't need to code. You don't need a degree. You need to understand 3 simple things: website speed, basic SEO, search engine optimization, and conversion optimization, turning visitors into paying customers. Here's how this actually makes money. Step 1. Contact 20 local businesses, restaurants, dentists, auto repair shops. Step 2. Offer a free website audit. Record a short video showing what's wrong and how they're losing traffic. Step 3. Charge $800 to fix the problem. If just 3 businesses say yes, that's $2,400. Your cost? Maybe $30 for tools. Now the smart move. Offer ongoing support, ranking improvements, monthly updates. Charge $200 per month. 10 clients equals $2,000 recurring income. That's predictable money, not viral money, not lottery money, skill money. Will everyone say yes? Of course not. Most people are afraid of change. Some won't understand the value. Some will ignore you. But you don't need everyone. You need a few. And once you understand the process, you can scale. Hire freelancers. Specialize in one niche. Turn it into a small agency. This isn't flashy. It won't make you a millionaire overnight. But in 2026, boring skills pay better than hype. And the best part? You're not selling dreams. You're fixing real problems. That's where real businesses are built.